Good afternoon. Today, this is Louis. Today we're gonna do a DIY replacing a cabin filter. It's by Motocraft. Pardon me if I speak English because it's gonna be on YouTube. This is the new filter. Let's see if I can do it. All you need to do is open this one and click this one, so it's gonna drop right there. As easy as that. Then flip this one over, I guess. Oh, there's this thing right here on the, I don't know if you can see it. There's a snap right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's this thing right here. Press this one and pull it out, and then you will see the old filter. There, you can pull out the old filter. Dirty, yeah. Make sure the filter you're inserting is the arrow up right there. It has an arrow pointing up, okay? And all you need to do is just insert it. Insert it just like that. I don't have any flashlight with me, that's why I'm having a hard time in putting in right there. Then all you need to do is put this one back. Make sure when you put it back, this one is facing out, not this one. And then you just, all you need to do is just snap this one, right? This one. See, this one is broken already. And all you need to do is just press this two and then put it back. Thank you. See, since this one is not working anymore, it's like a rubberized thingy or a spring, what you call spring. All you need to do is press this one back, and voila, it's done. Thank you very much for watching. It took me a little bit like 2 minutes and 45 seconds to install the new air filter. Thank you very much.